Hi, John here. Just quickly going to show you how to take pictures of water droplets and make them a little more interesting. All you need is a white piece of card. You need an external flash which you fire at the card rather than directly at the water drop. A frying pan with some water in it. I've got a candle in it at the moment. That is just literally so that I can set the focus where the drop will hit. As you can see, this frying pan's actually got a centrepiece, so I've placed the candle in the centre, and then this is where I'll aim the water droplet. I'll obviously take the candle out. You can use any object that will stand up. This was just the closest thing that I had that would stand up on its own in the water. I've got a remote trigger which I'll need, as if you're doing it by yourself you need to be pressing the shutter as you're dropping the water. I've got my Canon 60D here. The lens I've got on it is just a fairly cheap Sigma telephoto lens with macro. Macro is the key lens type that you need here, because you need to magnify those water droplets and focus as close as possible. So just quickly have a look at the settings on the camera as well. I've set it up so that it's in full manual mode, 1/250 shutter with f/16, nice small aperture, so we're just relying on the flash basically lighting up the water droplets and reflecting off the water. ISO, keep it down at 100, and I don't know if you can see this very well. The other key thing is to set the white balance to the lowest K figure as you can. This will give it the blue colour and appearance to sort of mimic your typical water scene. This is a little bit trial and error, and it's just literally trying to get the timing right and the position and the angle of the lens right so that you get the effect that you're after. Here we go, let's give it a go. So I'm just dropping the water off a teaspoon onto the same place where I focused with that candle a few minutes ago. Let's see what we got.